kung di ba yung pauna natin, ang tigas-tigas ng service. Very grade out.
Ayan.
Yun, green.
Oo, magbasta mag-message lang tayo ha.
Oo, Gabi.
Para may komunikasyon tayo.
Oo, nasa ano na tayo. Tagabi mo, if you're traveling, donate to. Because you will vomit.
I mean, because of the
We are very, very, very hungry.
just because of the turbulence.
Mabuti na lang. Mayroon akong ano ba yun? Yung crackers na
Kinain mo, tita.
Pilipinas.
Oo.
Kinain ko.
Okay. Mag-toilet muna tayo. Kasi bago natin kunin yung mga gamit, kasi hindi na tayo mahirapan natin pag nakuha na natin yung
There's
mga
toilet
maleta.
here. There's toilet here.
Yeah, that's right.
Kawawa naman itong iso ng bigat ng nasa harap. Kumbaga, it's heavy, eh? Oh my
Not
God.
dangerous.
Where to do? Bye-bye.
Dito lang tayo.
Boom! Halika na, bigyan mo.
Yun, tayo na. Complete na tayo.
Let's go, go, go. Where are we gonna meet your friends?
Alex, I think it's was there inside the passport. Can you check it? Open the
Check. Wait.
Wait, tita. Wait, tita. Ariana lang, kasi
Wait.
Sa yan na si Park.
Take it. You said you want to take it.
No, just hold it. Just, you need to take it out.
The point there.
No, it's okay. We don't need it. Just keep it. Keep it. Keep it, Alex.
But you need it anyway.
Philippines na kami. Yan, Philippines. Alam, dyan din, tita. Philippines na separo. Ariana, where are you? Wala ka sige. Ariana, hindi naman sige. Meti Aria, meto Alex. Ask okay. Wala pigin ito Alex. Ayan, sa Philippines. Bravo. Pame. We go outside. Gate 4. Ela, aqui. Okay, I'm turning.
Gate 5.
Not gate 5. Just go outside and we will call. Bravo, Alex. Ella, go, Ella, go out. No, Mariana. Just go outside. Oh my God. I said the exit one. Where are you? Gate 6, Bay 1, Bay 9. Stay there. Stay. No po.